odofo me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV ba ko pe wo wiase nyinara na dwumadie we a woni guso a wo behwe yi eye Nkuranhyemre me a me di twam a me di jeba die ho kya me edi am jeso wa boda da ho ni teko de go bate onyame enhyira wo wo ho atade ehye mi wo kina betimi asesa wo ho betimi aye kwabokwabo betimi akopa wi ga hye beti ho wo ho se ka metimu no nya betimi asesa me ka ba ade ba kopa na ontimi asesa na abrabom. Your brain, you can never change your brain. But you can replace the content of your brain. What dream ekura won, won timi sesa, umetimi ungimi ti nye utida. When dey me madwene ya madwene na wadwene. Na obetimi asakra wadwene mu. Se utie Nyankopon sempa. Okay kan Nyankopon sempa. So oye Muslimi ni, so ye Kristoni, so ye Kristoni, utie Nyame sempa. Na mpo utie Nkuranhyensem se da me de ma wi a na empo o kan sempa ta ka sansem we na tie nsem we ebeyi nyoma ayefi o abrabom no adwene no sabe semre ayema ensem o na ka kire wo ensem o ja ka kire wo ensem abusuani bi ka kire wo ensem nafo ni onuanom ka kire wo ensem ya kire wo nyina ama adwene na ayema enti foforo mbeka ho eba na ato agu ti na de ka kire ho se o ye brainwash o be horo wa adwene mu. Another day, a brainwashing. You have to begin to listen to new things. So we change some pass it. I'm no okay. Na you can't sempa. You try concrete, but I know who he apa. Men fans that you concrete Christo for homa. Fans a crata your board one actually. Na king can be. Na fa su dia mo abrabo. Nempo another day abefo mfidi abe your social media. There were a lot of motivational speakers also. But me tie bie. Oko Google out tapo. How can I be this? No tapo baba. Na eyi ne hwadi na wakan na kan sempa eba na TV a TV papa sa Adom TV sempa pa ye wo ha na wahwe bi na gya sa nyoma na wo hwe a e ma abeguro sa news na wo tie a e ma wo yam hye wo no emwa. The theory of the mind is that to remember you have to forget certain things. Adwen no ne nyina so ba ko ne se ansa na be kai de foforo no isa wo gya dada no titi de ma wo na enye no edi ede to wa enye no me si so no me ma me kura bi to me din bi me nka nkire ho na edi no de to me nche se be me nsem fata se me de me nimu se me de me nye yie edi no de to me no na me nyidu pempen suo bi me ma me ya fati aka ne nchina gu ohwe bi no ka che me ba de o nyansan o asem de bi ya me ka na e ma werho na me sua kete o so de o nyansan na no bi a post for bi ba so ba chim krofo we fia oni post for the kan abrofo na won dwiri won e na ode asem de che nipa no me ma me nkura nhia ode share me ntem ma me gimi hu die na ma anye ne ma me kura no kan antum na me ka kire mo se me manyina ba ye panimpa e ma me de nyansa adware ma adwene na ma me de amanfo de amankrofo san Nkuranhyensem ma me de kan me ho no ene me de ti de ka fa ho bia no manye ntum sakramu if I substitute what you heard. So what say enye yi aka jo se be yi. So what say be wakwase aka se be onyansani no nyame bo me se ne so. Do not believe the things people have told you so far. Believe what God said about you. That you are going to dominate. That you are going to be fruitful and multiply. You are bigger than what you see yourself to be today. Unya ganani. Na nipa. Unya akanini kranini empovota region ni nipa. You are made in the image of a creator to create success, to create greatness. Don't limit yourself to your ethnic background. Don't limit yourself by your marital status. When you're unemployed, unemployed, don't limit yourself by and don't limit yourself by educational background, because you are bigger than the certificate you are holding. In your mind, you can use your mind to travel beyond where you are. What you great. The battles of life are fought on your mind and not in the classroom. Oshia dear, uku square, Nanso so no, uku school we are. And your ma bedroom home or adwin posono, and the betcha or dachi. O wadia ye. Nanso so adwina bedwina for uku no, you don't know what they hono, and the betcha wa wadia is so. We are Juma ye. Now, when we be a Juma, what did ya bombo and that making low na wagye nti na ka tua kraba onya bi ni wadwene a you can be born again in a second but trying to get converted it's a tough time obo say makwa sorry mafa yesu na kraje nkwan so e bone esan say won convert wadwene every bone e ma papa nti because so bone. Your mind is the focus of every attack in the world. The culture of life targets your mind. Radio cross and TV cross wadwene e Kenya no entini ya na ufo wadwene a bisa say enema ben na man come adwene proso enema ben na mema kwai whoever captures your mind will capture your life and your soul, and it will capture your spirit and your body. It's a connection between your body and your spirit. It's the mind. It mediates. Every problem with your life was first created in your mind. Or how biara wo fam that day. Wadwene. Eti ye die bia be fam o kina no. Nyina so ene wadwene. Don't underestimate the power of your mind. Ye mebre ene ye fo so adwene de even crowd nim say o adwene de bo me. Ya kire ma de we na ka say ye mafa na saa we na nye mafa na saa we na metima yo mafa na saa ne nyina ye ntro. Nia wan kasa be ka kire ho no ene bebem. Nia obe ka kire ho no ene bebem nya ne hu ya wo te ye. You should know that your thinking affects how you feel. So wodwene me ho adwen pa ebe kenya tenkapa ama me. Ena wodwene me ho sa otame a be kenya otan ama. Nya me ni padua no na wa wadwene ena ama otame ana abedome. Enu nti obusuani e memfa wadwene say bibi keke. Adwene no the force that creates the life you are enjoying. You are powerless to change your situation until you empower your thoughts, your emotions. Hey, we need to be abrabomu. To me, I nyina ene nyina so ne wadwene. Ye ka adwene a ensema ya wo ka kire wo utim. Eneso so. Ade we. Dabi. Wo hia kwanhia. Hye hu kran na ka kire wo say we so mebu nkam so ayeye. Empower yourself by speaking positively, having a positive outlook. Oyiri bibi kakra na obuafu dabi. Okun bibi kakra na obuafu dabi. De oye de anye na mamentra se na ye ni hu nkomo na menkyere na kwa beti afa so ayeye na mo di nkita ho. Maka tuesa dabi. Mempe bibi enka ni amede kwa adwuma mu na me upgrade my skill. The higher my skill, the bigger my reward. Since I'm a trafficker, I am not earning enough salary. There are people in your workplace who are earning more salary because of what they have acquired. And to also know, Jaisa Ubon Habonfia, made a mere libra, the people in Libra with them. You can always improve upon yourself by improving on the content of your mind. The content of your mind determines the content and the result of your life. You can never go beyond what you think. What you think, you become. Adwin bia abadwan fa ho. Adwin bia abefa aka wiase ho. Adwin bia abadwan fa obi ho no. Ta na bebem. No one can outlive the content of their minds. Nyoma ebegu wadwen proso no. Eno ena ebeye ho. Whatever you feel you can change, you can. If only you get the right attitude and mindset. You can accomplish anything in your life. What they na enko ye no. Adisua na enko ye no. Wadwuma na enko ye no. Usubane na enko ye. Na nyi obi. Oniye na enko ye. Adwene a wo dwene na enko ye. Atenka a wakanya no na enko ye. Susu a wasusu na enko ye. Enti jaisa wo bosobo na mpo wadwuma enko ye, waware enko ye, usukuku enko ye no. Bisa wadwene se adwene ye dia na metimi adwene ho na menoma akoyie na Kenya nsempa na ebekoyie me mpa abone se wawade ebekoyie me mpa abone se wadwuma bekoyie me mpa abone se wapombu ne kura bekoyie na wusubansa koyie me mpa abokwa ne se wadwene a wodwene no ba adwene pa na watenka atenka pa onyame enka ho onyame enhyira se meja abesesere ma mehwe na wonsere ho Mamesi de kakra e yadru eno ayarsa da wanya no ose de e makomapa onyame enka ho biom edin yam je so ni tekotego aha na meja wo woni onyame entina